Hey, take two. I'm back. But look, my husband took some of our first watermelons and he made watermelon jelly.
What?
Y'all see this? Never heard of watermelon jelly, but we got it. So we're gonna do that. But we got another watermelon. We picked this one a couple of days ago, so it's been sitting on the counter. And my husband did his whole triangle thing again for me so I can get a head start. But let's go ahead on and get into this one and see what we working with. I don't know if it's gonna be red, orange, yellow, purple, or green, but it's gonna be something. So let's pull this out. Uh-oh. We got another orange one. So look at the colors in that again. So we got another orange one, and this one was 19 pounds. So it's all good. We just gonna go ahead and keep on eating watermelon. We're gonna be some of the most watermelon eatingest people this summer. Let me get a taste of this one. Oh my God. Let me spit that seed back in there because I don't get me a little slice because, you know, we got to know if it's juicy or not, what it tastes like. Yep. Mm-hmm. Yep. Mm-hmm. Yep. I think it's called Orange Glow. Orange Glow. And I got the seeds from Baker Creek Farms. I think that's the name. I'll check it out and make sure before we post this. No, wait. Okay, look. My lovely assistant is giving me the seeds. So this is what we actually planted. So yeah, this joker is good. Baker Creek heirloom seeds out of Mansfield, Missouri. Yeah, they're good. It's good. Yeah, I ain't want to give this away, but I promised that I would give half of it away. But oh my God, this thing is so good. I can't back down on my word, so I'm gonna have to give the dang on watermelon away. But I'm gonna finish eating this little piece and get me some more. But until then, don't forget, hit that like and subscribe button so you can see the next time, because we got one more watermelon we got to pull out in the next couple of days. So thank you for watching. Peace out.